Let us solve the 2025 specimen paper for your board exam preparation. Today we will practice the complete grammar section. First, tenses. Second, prepositions. Third, join the sentences. Fourth, rewrite and transformation. Take out your copy and pen. Pause the video and write your answers first. Then check with the correct explanations. Let us begin. Now we are starting question 5, tenses. Read the passage carefully. Pause the video. Write your answers in your copy first. Do not look at the solution immediately. After completing all the blanks, play the video again and check your answers with the correct forms and explanations. Let us check your answer.
Answer 1. This is your was not working. Pen was not working. Second one, lady had used up all her water. सारा पानी खत्म कर चुकी थी. नेक्स्ट वन, थर्ड वन इज वुड हॉल्ट. वो जानती थी और 3 मिनट के लिए स्टेशन में ट्रेन रुकेगा. आई नीड, दिस इज डायरेक्ट स्पीच, सो दिस इज योर आई नीड. पास्ट टेंस नहीं होगा. आई नीड, डायरेक्ट स्पीच. 5, एंड disappeared. This is simple past tense, snatched and disappeared. 6, simple past tense, could not believe. 7, direct speech, so what are you doing? 8, he said you dash your money again, will never see. This is simple future tense, will never see your money again. तुम कभी तुम्हारे पैसे नहीं देख पाओगे.
Now we come to prepositions. Read each sentence carefully. Pause the video. Think about the correct preposition and write your answers in your copy.
Now come to the solution. We can cut this field instead of taking the main road across. Across means from one side to another. See this one. Go across something directly, take a shorter way to go from one side to another side. Next one, passengers are advised against standing. Against means not to stand, against standing. They have been working on the project years now. This is your 4 years, duration of time, so 4 years now. About the accident, he has been afraid of boarding buses. This is ever since. Climb up, turn down. Turn down means reject. I will need to speak to my parents. Speak to my parents, with my parents. To my parents means you talking, they listening. One way communication. With my parents means two-way discussion. Next. The sports teacher was taken aback when he heard how enthusiastic the team was. This is aback, taken aback. Taken aback means surprised, suddenly surprised or shocked. Now question number 3. Join the following sentences to make one complete sentence without using and but so. Say, stay still, we cannot take your photograph otherwise. Stay still, we cannot take your photograph otherwise. Here give, this is your stay still, else. Here given else, we cannot take your photograph otherwise. Here given else, then otherwise. This is wrong. Stay still, here also still, because is given and otherwise is given. This is also wrong. If you stay still, we cannot take. If you stay still, we cannot take. This is wrong. Unless you stay still, we cannot take your photograph. Unless you stay still, we cannot take your photograph. This is correct. Next one. Roy's mother rang up the school office. She wanted to inquire. She wanted to inquire about the swimming classes at the summer camp. Here rang up. Here rang up given. First one is rang up given. Second one is rang up given. Third one has rung up is given. This is present perfect tense. This is rang up given. Then here wanting inquiry is given. So this is wrong. Now she want to inquire. To inquire. This is as she want to inquire is wrong. To inquire is correct. So option B is the correct answer. Here option C is the correct answer. I left my keys somewhere. Do you know where they are? I left my keys somewhere. I left my keys. So we have to mention I left my keys. Where I left my keys? This one. I left my keys. Do you know where I left my keys? This one. Do you know where my keys were left? This is correct, but we have to mention I left. The captain should not be blamed for the team's defeat. The players should not be blamed for the team's defeat. The captain, neither captain nor players. Neither captain nor players should blame. Here, neither the captain nor the players should be blamed. This one, neither the captain nor the players. This is the captain should, wrong. The captain should not be blamed, wrong. The captain should neither be blamed, neither the captain nor the players should be blamed. So, option 4 is correct. Now come to the question number 4. First one, this is reread. Begin with no sooner. Begin with no sooner. The audience broke. Audience broke is simple past tense, so there must be did. Did he finish? No sooner did he finish. If this one is past perfect, then had. But this is a simple past tense, so did. No sooner did. So answer C is the correct answer. No sooner did. Next one. The news surprised everyone in my life. The news took everyone in my life by surprise. The news took everyone in my life by surprise. With surprise is wrong. Next one. Yesterday was so much fun. Question tag. Yesterday was not it. Yesterday was is given, so was not it is the correct answer. I would not eat that food if I was not really hungry. Unless I eat food, I will remain really hungry. This is your. I would not eat the food. So I would not eat that food if, instead of if, unless I was really hungry. I would not eat that food unless I was really hungry. Was really hungry. Unless is given, so was really hungry is the correct answer. It is so hot and humid that I cannot sleep. Two. It is too hot and humid. It is too hot and humid that I cannot. It will be to. It is too hot and humid to sleep. It is too hot and humid to sleep. This is option B is the correct answer. Two. It is connected to and to. There must be two. I prefer going out with friends to staying alone at home. Would rather. then. Here rather, then, rather के पास then रहेगा और कहीं पर भी then नहीं है. No. So option A is correct answer. Rather के पास then रहेगा और कहीं पर भी then नहीं है. Next one. Here also then. I would rather prefer, but prefer given. Rather के पास prefer नहीं रहेगा. Would rather यहाँ पर then है, but यहाँ पर भी prefer है. Why were you absent yesterday? The teacher asked me. The teacher asked me why. This is your direct indirect speech. The teacher asked me why. This is your why were you absent. Where is given, so this is your had been. Where is given, so had been. Where had been, this is where given, so had been is the correct answer. Why I had been absent the day before. Yesterday given, so day before. Yesterday is day before. Next one. Very few dancers are as graceful as she is. Begin with she is. Very few dancer given. Very few dancer given. So one of the most. Few dancer is given. So one of the most is the correct answer. Very few, one of the most. Okay.